What's up, guys? So, I'm right by this creek. Someone has died in here. I think you guys know what I'm doing. I'm going to vlog. Yeah, I will go in here in the daytime because, like, I've heard of people, like, being inside of there and, like, trying to attack people at nighttime. But whenever I go in there at daytime, it's like, alright, there's no people. So I'm like, oh shoot. Yo, there's a big hole right here. That's crazy. That's legit. Yeah, but this creek right here, will curse you. No, I'm just kidding. I did go in here at nighttime once, and I did see someone. I have told this story lots of times, but I'm just like, so there's like sticks right there between us, me and my brother, and the dude. But it looked like this dude like knew what he was doing. So like we just wanted to get out of there as fast as we could. But we did stay in there a little longer and didn't see him again. He might have been scared of us, who knows. But yeah, he might have been scared of us, but I forgot what I was gonna say. But there's two sides of the creek. One goes way farther. One goes to a sewer that I actually went in. You can see it on my brother's Facebook. But if you guys follow my Snapchat, you'll know that just now some scary stuff was just happening, and it is 12:39. So a car looking suspicious just drove past me, and right when they got to the side of me, they stopped. So I had to like take off as fast as I could. And then I was just riding my hoverboard down that way, not near this creek. And what happened? Oh, and there's also a sewer right under here. But what I don't understand is, so when you go inside of here, you can climb up, and there is a sewer thing that you can push up and climb out. But when you're up here on the ground, you can't see it. Like, it's crazy. I mean, I don't know what happened. Like, it's just crazy. Like, I will show you guys in another vlog. I don't know if it'll be tomorrow or what. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow, but I'm not sure what's gonna happen. I'm trying to stay down this way as much as I can, just because nothing has happened down here yet. Oh, do you guys remember that tipping trash can video? It was actually just right here. It was actually right here. But they seem to not care at all. And that was like last year. I don't do no stuff like that anymore. That's childish. I am a child. I am childish. But I ain't that childish to get inside of a garbage can. Actually, I am. I'll admit. I'm probably the most childish person. Y'all hear that? Oh, bro, my chest hurts. Y'all, it's not a ghost. I'm saying my chest hurts because, like, ever since I went in the basement of my house and started sleeping down there, my heart has just hurted and my chest has hurted at random times. And it's, like, bad. It feels like I'm just getting stabbed. But I did actually hear something just now. It sounded like a dog. Or not like that, but a older dog. Oh wait, what time is it? Oh, it's 12:42. I need to get down this way because I need to let my cousin in my house. See, you always gotta vlog at any time you can. I always just come out and ride my hoverboard, and like, it just feels peaceful. So I just like pull out my phone and vlog, and it's Android also. So I don't know if that's a real vlog, but you know it's long enough. It's long enough, and I'm trying. As long as I'm trying, I'm okay. I'm okay, it's okay. You know that? You know that? Yeah. Should know that by now, shouldn't you? Yeah. Yeah, you should know that. Yo, why do I ride so smooth right here? But all of the rest of the road is like, it's just like hard. Or it's not like hard, but it's like rocks, and it's like very bumpy. Keep on thinking I see a raccoon at that one spot all the time. All the time. All the time. Hey, y'all hear that dog? I actually did see a clown once, back in 2016. Y'all hear that music? And the reason I just brought up that clown thing is because, like, I looked down the road and I seen a person, and that's what the dog was barking at, but it was nothing. It was just a regular person. And so yeah. Do I upload every day? I don't know. Like, I try to upload every day. Like, I vlog every single day. Like, for real. It just never uploads. I don't know why. It's a bumpy road. Yes, oh yes, oh yes it is. A bumpy road. Hey. I'm bored. I'm bored, honestly. I might go into that creek like later, but in the morning. I was gonna say early, but I have no idea what I'm talking about anymore. Alright, well y'all, that's the end of this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed.